Even if I'm young, it doesn't mean that I don't have experience. You know, I've been on 450 bike since 16 years old, so I was tall and I knew that we're gonna end up on 450 bike. But of course, my GP career haven't been so long. This is gonna be my third season. I expect a lot from myself, and we're already working so hard, and we're gonna give our all to surprise the world next year. What I think about this bike, I'm really enjoying it. I go every day to the track with big smile, and I go home even tired with big smile too, so it suits me a lot, and we're still going to make those little changes and everything to really make stick to me, so it's a great bike. I really like it. First time I came to the team and I came to the workshop, I saw it and I was really amazed. I mean, every time I come in, I really get goosebumps, because this is something what you don't see every day and everywhere. That team really works professional, and Antti keeps it really professional. I honestly never seen such a professional guy as him.